per hour. Hazard, damaging. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lafayette County in Big Bend of Florida, northeastern Taylor County in Big Bend of Florida, southeastern Madison County in Big Bend of Florida, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Madison, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
My version 5
Hazard,
activated!
tornado. Source, radar indicated
Rotation! Oh my god!
Impact. Flying
There's
debris will be dangerous to
rotation!
those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Lafayette, northeastern Taylor, and southeastern Madison counties, including the following locations: Lee, Chansey, and Hopewell. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Tornado warning!
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Madison and Taylor,